To begin with, the traits that make our favorite superheroes so extraordinary, think superhuman strength, speed, or even the ability to fly, are in reality highly complex. They're not the result of a single gene mutation, but rather a symphony of genetic, physiological, and environmental factors working in harmony. With our current understanding and technology, manipulating all these factors to produce a specific superhuman trait is, to put it lightly, a Herculean task. Then there are the ethical and safety considerations. When we talk about genetically engineering a human, we're venturing into uncharted territory. Who gives consent? How do we ensure fairness? And what about the risks? The long-term effects of genetic modifications, both for the individual and for future generations, are still largely unknown. And let's not forget the regulatory oversight. Genetic engineering is not a Wild West. There are strict regulations and ethical guidelines in place, particularly for applications in humans. Any attempts to create genetically engineered individuals with enhanced abilities would need to not only comply with these regulations, but also withstand rigorous scrutiny from regulatory authorities. Lastly, there's the simple fact of our scientific limitations. Despite the significant strides we've made in gene editing and gene therapy, our understanding of genetics and gene function is still incomplete. Many aspects of gene regulation, expression, and interaction remain shrouded in mystery. So while the notion of creating genetically engineered superheroes might make for a thrilling plot in a comic book, the reality is a lot less glamorous. We're far from being able to create a superhero in a lab, but that doesn't mean genetic engineering isn't powerful. It's just that its power is being channeled into more grounded, real-world challenges. Treating genetic diseases, improving agricultural productivity, and advancing scientific knowledge. In essence, the dream of creating genetically engineered superheroes remains, for now, firmly in the realm of fiction. But who knows what the future holds? For now, the mysteries of our own genetic code continue to captivate us, propelling science and technology forward in ways we can only begin to imagine.